Hello from me, Lazar Hristov. Welcome to the next series of tutorials on creating a website from scratch. As you know, we are already working on my third book. Here, we are showing it on my other site, Master Techniques in HTML3 and Adaptive and Responsive Design. Let's open the PDF file. So, last time we examined the adaptability of the heading on mobile devices. And now we will look at the next part based on the use of the new viewport units. And the calc function, through which a gradual and smooth text scaling is achieved. Media queries might not even be used, but if so, this will be more of an example of responsive design, rather than adaptive. That is why we will do it with media queries. Here is how this is implemented. Practically, we set a value in for the font size in the H1 heading, for example 7, and we remove the bottom padding of the header. The exact code is this, but we see that the text is too large initially and too small at the end. Therefore, we will leave this text size to be for tablets, and for computer screens we will set 5.8, and for mobile devices 7.5. Keep in mind that when this unit is used on a smaller screen, it is larger. That is the logic behind it. The full code here will be this. Here, we start slowly reducing the browser width to see what the result will be. I won't show it in the live example, but I'll show it here on the screenshots, because it's easier to see. So, here you see first, second position, third, fourth. Fifth, sixth position, according to the width. So, the next option is to use the calc function and the units within it, followed by media queries, but we will examine that in the next lesson. That's all for this lesson. Best regards.